Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change text here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing text in Adobe Express is very easy. And you can customize the font, size, color, alignment, and a lot more here in this platform. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of inspiring designs to begin your work. But if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click on the button right here. I'm going to start my design from this elements that I have put together in a while. Now, you see, when you go to the text section on the left side panel of your dashboard, your options is kind of like limited. All right. For example, you add your text here, and this is going to be the default kind of font style. All right. Now, of course, you wanted this to have a different approach, feel, and style, right? For you to be able to do that, all you're going to do is, you see, you can click this all right here, and you can just click on the desired font style that you wanted. So it's up to you, all right? You're not basically limited with the options. Just click on the show more, all right? So there are a lot of creative font style that you can. Right? For example, the option for this. But please take note that, as you can see, you are viewing a premium asset on your page. If you see a premium watermark, that means you cannot download this. Later, if you click on download, you're not going to be able to download this without a watermark here in Adobe Express. You need to upgrade to the premium plan for you to be able to do it without any limitations, all right? But for this instance, let's say I wanted to use this. Not only you can use this font style, you can also change how it looks by clicking on the right here, the color, right? So it's up to you on what color that you wanted. You can also go to the swatches, and there's a lot that you can work with. You can also go to the outline wherein you can choose a different color for your outline. All right, see, you see that? You have a lot of options. Your options are not kind of like limited. All right. Not only you can change the font style and the font color, you can also change the size from the smallest to the biggest when you slide in the this section. You can also crop this to a vertical kind of effect. So you have all these in your text right here. All right. And if you want to change the like the static kind of feel for your text here, you can also use an animation wherein you can put the animation here for your effect, for your text. You can glide, pop, waterfall, and sunrise. So you can do all these changes to your text here in Adobe Express. All right. Let's click on the remove all. All right. Let's see what happens from now, because it's kind of like Right, so now once you're happy with this, all right, the next thing that I suggest for you to do is go to the upper right corner and click this file and download it on the whatever format that you need. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.